Welcome everybody. This is Shikha Mondol, Assistant Teacher English, Barbunia Collegiate School, Tako, Khulna. How are you, dear learners? Fine, thank you. Now, online class is all over the world, and you are well known to online class. Now I invite you to join my class and enjoy it. Okay, dear learners, now I show a picture. You try to guess what kind of picture is it. Dear learners, can you see the picture clearly? Here the picture number 1. Here is some boats. The boats are very colorful. You know, boat journey is a very comfortable journey in our country. Next, question number 2. Here a woman is cooking food beside the tents and an open place. Dear learners, have you seen these kinds of place? Okay. Next, the picture number 3. Dear learners, here is a boat and some boys and girls are sitting in a row and they are reading very attentively. I see. I think it may be a mobile board schools. Okay, dear learners. Next picture number 4. Here is a man. He is sitting and a snake is charming. Dear learners, can you guess what kinds of picture is it? Okay, Bede. Okay, dear learners, Bede as known to local people. Another name, river gypsies. Dear learners, our today's lesson, river gypsies. River gypsies in Bangladesh. Okay, dear learners, open your EFT book, page number 82, Unit 7, Lesson 3. Dear learners, here are some keywords. Now I write some keywords on the board. Gypsy, gypsy, that means somebody with nomadic lifestyle. Next, ethnic, ethnic, that means tribal, tribal, tribal. Next, vent, that means cell. Okay. Next word, tents, tents, that means a collapsible collapsible movable shelter. A collapsible movable shelter. Dear learners, let us know about our river gypsies. Dear learners, here I talk to you about river gypsies. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. They have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in a groups, don't own any land. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in a small country boats. The boats are their house. In winter, many water bodies dry up. At that time, they return the mainland and live makeshift tarpaulin tents. Dear learners, their men are relaxing in tent, and women sometimes they are sitting in a row and picking up lice. Dear learners, throughout the monsoon, they are very busy to catch fish. Okay, dear learners, we know about our river gypsies. Now we are going to state B. Dear learners, we are going to state B. Dear learners, here some word or your duty is to choose the best answer. Dear learners, we discuss the keywords. If you know about the keyword, you will choose the best answer very easily. Okay, dear learners, state B. Here number 1, state B, number 1, Number 1, the term ethnic. The term ethnic the term ethnic is connected to here option 1 is people, option 2 is animals, and option 3 is fishes. Number 2, here, dear learners, your duty is to choose the correct option. Question number 2, here river gypsies roam around their boats. River gypsies roam around on their boats about month a year. River gypsies roam around on their boats about total months a year. Option 6, number 2, 7, option 3, 8. Okay, dear learners, next number 3, here the term nomadic. The term nomadic refers to a person Option 1, stays permanently at a place. Option 2, lives in one's own house. Option 3. Travels from place to place. Dear learners, can you choose the best answer? Okay. Number 1 had the best answer. People. Ethnic. That choose the best answer. People. Next, our number 2. River gypsies roam around on their boats about months a year. And option choose the best answer. 7. From May to December. Here choose the best answer. 7. Number 3. The term nomadic refers to. Here option number 3. Travels from place to place. Dear learner, understand it clear? Okay. Dear learners, next we are going to some question write on the board, and your duty is to open your notebook and write down the question. Dear learners, write down the question. Here I write some question. Question number 1. Your duty is to write the question on your notebook and try to answer the question reading the passage. Okay, dear learner, you should read out the passage silent. Okay, start on. Who are river gypsies? Who are river gypsies? Question number 2. How do they live? How do they live? Dear learners, understand it clearly? Okay. Question number 3. What do river gypsies do in winter? What do river gypsies do in winter? Question number 4. Dear learners, what do river gypsy men? What do river gypsy What do river gypsy men and women do for do for a living. For a living. Dear learners, can you guess the question? Of course, the answer you can find out this answer from your passage. Okay, dear learners, let us discuss the question and answer. Dear learners, here question number 1. Who are river gypsies? Dear learners, river gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. Okay. Next question. How do they live? They live in a group and they have an own lifestyle and culture. They do not live any owned land. Okay, dear learners, next question number 3. What do river gypsies in winter? In winter, our river bodies dry up. So the river gypsies return the mainland and live makeshift tarpaulin tents. Dear learners, do you know tents? Tents means a collapsible, movable shelter. Okay, dear learners, our next question: what do river gypsy men and women do for a living? For living, river gypsy men sometimes they sell herbal cure, and the river gypsy women they go to door from door to sell cosmetic, bangles and etc. They have shown their magical power, dear learners, magical power to remove the enemy. Okay, dear learners, if you understand or if you try to answer the question, you will make a dialogue. Its another name, the question its another name is WS question. Do you know WS question? Dear learners, here WS. Another WS question. If you try to answer the question, you will make a dialogue. WS question is used always dialogue. Dear learners, you should try to answer the question and try to make a dialogue by using WS question. Dear learners, please write down your homework. Write down your homework. Dear learners, write a paragraph. Write a paragraph about the life of a nomadic life of a nomadic people in Bangladesh. Dear learners, write down your homework on your notebook and try to write a paragraph to next class. Dear learners, our today's class is closed. See you again. Keep well. Bye.